Hey YouTube, 35 Harmonic here. We're back here at Canoe Creek State Park. Little morning hike. Just tired sitting at the house. We're gonna walk back here towards the furnaces, and then we're gonna do a loop trail up around and back to the parking area. It's like a 4-mile trail. Nice little morning hike. I'll show you the cool stuff. There's the furnaces back here at Canoe Creek. These are limestone furnaces. On my previous videos, I went through them and around them and up on top and everything. But we're gonna venture on back through here, see what else we can find. Trail's not hard right now, but it's state park, so they're pretty well taken care of. They were in operation back in the 1900s, at the beginning of the 1900s. But we're gonna walk down this trail, see what's back here. Over there you can see where they're quarrying out the side of the mountain to get the limestone. I think we'll try to make our way over there and check it out. This loop trail I'm doing, it's a series of other trails. I think it's like 3 or 4 trails I'm going to be on. Don't know the names of them. It just makes a big old loop around this hillside up here. And just loops around and goes back to the lake. No real destination to get to today. I'm just going to make a loop. The loop is about 4 miles long. I might take some other little trails, make it a little longer. I said I got nothing to do today, so I'm just out here enjoying the wilderness. Here comes up, switch back, and it comes up through here and on up the side of this mountain. Found this bench on the trail, so I figured it was a good time to stop, have a cup of coffee, and look at that scenery I get to look at while I drink my coffee. Up here on top of the hill by Canoe Creek, there's an old mine entrance up here. It's been sealed off to protect the bats that are in there. It's pretty neat though. I mean, you can't get too close to it because there's a fence. Won't let you get near the entrance. But as in the picture I showed you, they have it all gated off or barred off so you can't get into it. It's pretty neat though. Here, I'll give you a look around. See, there's a fence here. Yeah, prohibited area. But it's right along this road here. Well, trail. And right up there's the mine entrance. You can pause it and read it. One last look at the mine up there. Alright, we're going to head out this trail here, see what else we can find. Well, the trail goes up past that mine. It's called the Hartman Trail. If you do decide to hike up there, please be respectful to the bats. Be respectful to the land. Treat it as it'd be your own. That's one thing I do hate seeing is graffiti and garbage everywhere. So it's nice. It's a nice little hike up here. There's some nice views too. Let me turn you around. Oh, this is a view. Got a little bench there. The trail marker post has pegs on it to hang your backpack on, so you can sit there and look at the valley. But you turn right around, there's another adit back there. Oh, mine entrance. See if I can zoom in on it. See it up there? Of course, you can't get to it either because it's marked off with a fence across there. Well, it's a cable with signs on it. Found a cave up here. Canoe Creek. Goes back in about 30 feet. I don't see it going anywhere else. Goes back here about 30 feet. Pretty neat. Of course, there's some junk back there. People can't leave the garbage at home. Alright, let's go. Oh, we're doing this trail now. It's called the Marsh Trail. We just got done seeing those caves. As you can see, it's a boardwalk. That's where I came from. That's where I'm heading to. So let's see if we can see any wildlife out here. And just have a nice little stroll by the lake. That's Canoe Creek out there. Check this neat little bridge out. That's the marsh. There's Canoe Creek. Oh, it's springy. I was a little short little walk on the boardwalk around this lake here. Now we're getting off the boardwalk, back on the muddy trails. It was our short little hike through the woods today up here at Canoe Creek State Park, Central Pennsylvania. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't matter to me. I like it all. I like your comments, good or bad. So hope to see you on the trail.